Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we explore the world's most incredible rides on wheels. Today I'm about to take you inside a vehicle that will completely redefine what you think a motorhome can be. The 2026 Volvo FH12 Motorhome. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be questioning whether it's a luxury home that moves or a luxury hotel that just happens to have an engine. The first impression begins long before you step inside. The FH12's exterior is a masterpiece of Scandinavian design, combining aerodynamic curves with a road-dominating stance. Its massive panoramic windshield offers unmatched visibility, while full LED adaptive lighting and chrome detailing give it a futuristic, yet timeless look. This is the kind of motorhome that turns heads wherever it goes. Step through the automated entry, and your senses are immediately overwhelmed by elegance. The living room welcomes you with ultra-soft leather recliners, featuring built-in heating and massage functions, positioned perfectly around a massive 4K smart TV. The entertainment wall floats elegantly with hidden speakers and customizable ambient lighting that shifts colors to match your mood. It's a space that invites both relaxation and indulgence. The kitchen is a gourmet dream. You'll find a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, premium sink with brushed steel fixtures, and marble-style countertops that look and feel high-end. Glossy Scandinavian cabinetry offers deep storage, while a hidden coffee station ensures that your mornings start in pure style. Every surface feels carefully chosen for both beauty and durability. In the bedroom, luxury has taken up another notch. A king-size memory foam bed with adaptive climate control ensures the perfect sleep every time. The room is framed by floor-to-ceiling wardrobes, soft LED lighting, and an entertainment system within arm's reach. Noise insulation and blackout blinds create a private sanctuary, no matter where you are. The bathroom transforms daily routines into spa experiences. Heated floors, a rainfall shower, a smart anti-fog mirror, and subtle under-cabinet lighting make it feel like a five-star hotel suite. Chrome accents, porcelain finishes, and precision craftsmanship elevate it beyond any standard RV washroom. Under the hood, the hybrid powertrain delivers impressive torque, whisper-quiet operation, and remarkable fuel efficiency, coupled with Volvo's world-class safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. The FH12 offers a drive that's both powerful and reassuring. The 2026 Volvo FH12 Motorhome isn't just about travel. It's about creating a lifestyle where every road leads to comfort. Every stop feels like home, and every journey becomes a luxury experience you'll never forget.